Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: How to convert an array to a string in Python. Introduction. Converting an array to a string is a common operation in Python, often used in data processing, file handling, and web development. Python provides several methods and approaches to accomplish this task efficiently. In this tutorial, we'll explore different methods to convert an array to a string in Python, along with code examples for each approach. Method 1, using the join method. The join method is a convenient way to concatenate all elements of an array into a single string. Output. Method 2, using str and join. This method involves converting each element of the array to a string using the str function and then joining them together using the join method. Output. Method 3, using map and join. Another approach is to use the map function to convert each element to a string and then join them together. Output. Method 4, using list comprehension and join. List comprehension provides a concise way to convert elements to strings, similar to the map function. Output. Conclusion. Converting an array to a string in Python is a straightforward task, and you have multiple options to achieve it. Depending on your preference and specific requirements, you can choose the method that suits your needs the best. The join method is often preferred for its simplicity and efficiency, but other methods offer flexibility and customization options. ChatGPT.